Namaste, my friends. No two moments are alike. Moments once gone can never be taken back. But still, we always want to stay in our comfort zone. We say this common saying which we always say, we'll do it tomorrow, we'll see it tomorrow. Let it be, there's lot of time. But we are well aware of the fact there is no time. We never know what happens next second. We are well aware of the fact that every second keeps changing. We go to the palmistry to show our hands to know about our future. Do you know that every second the lines on our palms keeps changing? That means our fate keeps changing every second. It's not the same. It changes how we react, how we do things accordingly. We have lot of dreams, accomplishments, etc. But what do? We say, let's do it tomorrow. Let me take my time and relax. But are you aware of the fact that the universe, it gives chance to you only once? If you don't act at that moment, it's gone. You can't act the same way again because it is gone. You can't be the same. You're not the same. You don't think the same. Do you think the same the next moment? No. There's a fluctuation in your own mood. There's fluctuation in everything around you. So, why are we laid back? Why do we just want to stay in our comfort zone and not do things as we want it to do? Yes, my friends, it's a thought to be thought of. Do you want to stay in your comfort zone and say, there's always a tomorrow, let me do it tomorrow? Or you want to kickstart now and start doing things to build up your dreams, taking up the steps. It's not that it's going to be a success. You're not sure whether that's going to be a success, but there's always a try. There's always better to try than not to try. Think about it, my friends. Do you want to be a person who has tried to accomplish his or her dreams, or to be a person who just lays back and expects somebody to tap your back, somebody to push you, somebody to tell you do this, or somebody to do that work for you? What do you want to do? It's your choice, it's your life, and this life comes only once. This moment comes only once. How do you want to utilize this moment is very, very important. Yes, my friends, think about it. Drop in your comments over there. Let's see what are your thoughts about it. Thank you, my friends, once again.